of the Leatherman Squirt PS4. Yeah, this one's a popular one. For sale in USA only. Oh well. Shipped it overseas. What do we get? Multi-tool and some literature. Let's see. How to use it? Oh, okay. So there's a bunch of, it just has all the different models. Man, I love Leatherman. They have cool stuff. Honestly, such cool stuff. Let's see. Leatherman Squirt. I got this because I wanted the pliers. Yup. Ooh la la. Got the pliers. There's little cutters here. Okay. What else you got? Let's see. Scissors. Very child friendly. Instead of using a knife when you're cutting stray ends of clothes, like the threads or whatever, this kind of stuff. You want to freak people out. Key, bottle opener, flathead, and then this is more of a Phillips type or smaller flathead. Cool. And the other side, the file. I guess if you're bored, you can just file your nails. And then, of course, knife. Not friendly for flying, but good for EDC. This is a good EDC little multi-tool. Especially if you want a mini pliers. Otherwise, they have the smaller ones you can get. You don't need it. But check out this. Okay, so we're looking at looks like a chisel grind on this sucker, but that's a little weird, but that's okay. These kind of were probably like some stainless steel 440 or some crap like that. But good enough knife for just general use, and then easy to sharpen, of course. Oh, cool. Very small. Love the plier action, man. That is so cool. Then you can just chop something. Well, nothing too hard, right? Because as soon as you damage that, it's done. But yeah, a little finer plier work and a little bit more aggressive over here. Damn. Goodbye. Definitely good multi-tool. Good multi-tool to EDC. Let's just check how small that is. Yeah, about 2-inch. 2-inch by about 5.5. Cool. Yeah, 1 inch there. Yep, very EDC friendly. Totally recommend. I'm gonna give it a try, this unboxing. We'll try EDCing, get some opinions on it, and maybe do a full review later. Okay, thanks for watching.